Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item that the company did send me and did compensate me to make a video on. This is a fire extinguisher cabinet, wall mount or surface mount, depending on where you want to put it. It's 24 3/4 inches high, 10 1/4 inches wide, and 6 3/4 inches in depth. It is a 22 gauge steel fire extinguisher box. Holds fire extinguisher in there, really easy to use, super simple. It closes with magnet in the back. I'm going to show you a little bit about it. I'm going to give you just my opinion on it and just give you an idea that this is super important to have in your home. I have to tell you, it comes all assembled, all put together already, good to go. Really easy. The handle is separate. You do have to put it on. It is 2 screws inside to put this handle on right here. Very easy. It comes in the package. And this one comes in a package too. It's a couple of huge, really strong, big anchors. So if you're putting it into some sheetrock or if you're going into wood directly, you can just use these screws. It's really heavy duty and beefy screws. So no problems with that. They give you those options as well. It's got the holes in the back here. So you can just, in the back of the mount it, there's the 2 holes back here. You actually just put it on and slip it right on the screws, and that attaches it to the wall. Again, it has a magnet closure. So when you close it, it magnetizes. So it locks closed, which is good. Easy open, so if you have to access a fire extinguisher, you go in there, grab your fire extinguisher out, and you're good to go. This is made out of like a plexiglass, so don't worry about anything fracturing and breaking. That's really important. Again, all metal, all steel, red, 22 gauge metal, like I said. I like the magnet. I like that magnet close. I think that's a great idea. Here's a side view of it, so you can see here the 360 look. Here is the back. Here are the 2 holes to mount it, and also there's a bottom hole as well to anchor it to the wall. That's what that's for. Here is the other side here. Here is the top view. I want you to see the top view. Here is the bottom view. Again, all welded, put together here. Nice construction. There's a welding marks right here. These are all welded closed. So you have good quality construction. Again, it does open up here. Let me just show you. Opens up like that there. Close. Easy to use. Not too heavy, so anybody can mount it. Just to make sure it's securely on the wall. And the main thing, honestly, is to have one in the home with a fire extinguisher in it. Something happens in the last minute, or something happens in an emergency. You pop this open, you grab your fire extinguisher, and you're good to go. And you can't go wrong with it. It comes in metal. I love metal versus plastic every day. And definitely a way to go. Comes with all the parts and pieces that you need to mount it on the wall. You're good to go. And definitely got to recommend this for sure. Appreciate you watching. If you learned something, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, if I brought you some value, let me know. Leave me a thumbs up or subscribe to this channel that you're watching it on. I really do appreciate that. It means a lot to me. Very, very much. And that's it. That's what I got for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And definitely, hopefully you never have to use it. But if you do, you know you have it. And that's what's important. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.